Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Marek here, and this time we're looking at Photoshop for a change. And we're looking at the brand new feature that just appeared in Photoshop, the remove tool, which we now have in here among our healing brushes, etc. Okay, and remove tool is supposed to be better than spot healing brush tool with content aware, because remove tool is supposed to be using AI. So let's see how I can handle the content. So I'm going to try spot healing brush tool first. So on this image here, spot healing brush tool, content aware, and I'm just going to paint over this rope in here. Looks great, looks perfect to me. Let's have a look in here as well. So if I make it maybe a little bit smaller and go over this area. I mean, it looks great, and here, not perfect. Okay, so let's see what remove tool can do. So I'm going to undo these last few steps. I'll grab the remove tool instead. Now this should be easy peasy in here. You get this light purple overlay. So let's try this. This will probably look pretty much the same because spot healing brush tool did a very good job anyway. So I can't see how this could improve in here, but it should be better at the bottom part of the image on the trousers in here. Okay, it looks great. This one should be easy, and it should be quick as well because we've got a smaller area to work with. Okay, but what about this part here? I haven't tried it before, by the way, on this image here. So I'm wondering, oh yes, this is so much better, so much better. This looks amazing. Wow, this looks great. Wow. Okay, let's have a look at this image here. So again, spot healing brush tool. Now this should be easy because it's just a wire in there with the bulbs in here. This used to work really well in the past. Okay, looks great. But something that's been quite a challenge in the past was things like, so let's have a look at these cars in here. Now spot healing brush tool used to work really well on that. I've been satisfied with the results. But let's see. So it looks like this. Okay, now let me just save this so I can have it open, save a copy. I'll put on my desktop in here. Okay, that's okay. And I'm just going to undo on this one. Oh, actually, maybe undo again. And I'm going to open this one from a desktop as well. Okay, so you can compare them side by side. Okay, so on this image here, remove tool. This should be quite easy. And I can't see much room for improvement in here. And it's thinking about it. It's taking a bit longer. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay. Let's just do the same. Show 0. So that's one, that's the other. Okay, it looks better where the satellite dish is, but I'm not sure about this part in here. I think I preferred it on this spot healing brush. Okay, but let's have a look. Okay, let's try here. Let's see how this one is going to work. With this area here, I would usually use spot healing brush tool 3 or 4 times to make it look right. So hopefully this is going to work better. Let's see. Come on, come on. Ooh, this is good. This is definitely better. I mean, this part looks okay on both, but this looks better on here. That's better. Okay, now here's a challenge. Let's start with this image first. With spot healing brush tool, removing the satellite dish. This has always been a challenge, especially with the pipes. Behind it, I think they're behind it. So spot killing brush tool. Let's see if Adobe improved spot killing brush tool at the same time as they introduced the remove tool. Oh, I'm using remove tool, sorry. Okay, so that's remove tool. Actually, let me just undo. And that's why it was taking longer. Spot healing brush tool. Okay, I think that's it here. Not the best on this one. Okay, so remove tool is better. In this battle, remove tool wins. This looks better, much more sophisticated. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's see it, let's see it. Yes, that's spot healing brush, that's remove tool. Much better. Let's try one more. So back to spot healing brush tool. Let's try this egg conditioning unit, I think it is. This has always been a bit of a problem as well because of the pipes behind it. Oh, not really. So our remove tool here. I'll do a quick one. I know I went a little bit further, but this shouldn't be a problem. Let's see what's going to happen to the pipes. Oh yes, oh yes. This looks amazing. This looks amazing. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the new remove tool in Photoshop CC 2023. And it is an improvement. It is better. Well, it should be because it's using AI, right? So, this was a quick one about remove tool. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I'm Marek Mularczyk from marekmularczyk.com, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you haven't already. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.